Is it okay to use turmeric every day? Turmeric is generally considered safe for regular consumption, and many people incorporate it into their daily routine for its potential health benefits. However, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet or starting a new supplement regimen. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been studied for its potential benefits in various health conditions, such as arthritis, digestive disorders, and even certain types of cancer. Additionally, turmeric is a common spice in many cuisines and can be used in cooking or added to beverages like tea or smoothies. While turmeric is generally safe, it's important to note that it may interact with certain medications or have side effects in some individuals. For example, high doses of turmeric or curcumin supplements may cause digestive issues or interact with blood-thinning medications. Therefore, it's crucial to seek professional advice to ensure it's safe for you to use turmeric daily, considering your specific health condition and any medications you're taking. In conclusion, using turmeric every day is generally considered safe for most people. However, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure there are no potential interactions or adverse effects based on your individual circumstances.